Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding the death warrant or black warrant which is given under section 413 and 414 of the CrPC. Some of the students have asked me to inform them the details of the black warrant or the death warrant. Therefore, I am making this video. Actually, whenever any person is convicted of a heinous offense like murder, gang rape, dacoity, whatever it be, if is convicted for death, then it has to be executed. Please remember, before section 235 CrPC, normally there are so many steps where the accused person can plead innocence, and after concluding all these formalities, so then only the judgment will be given. Even 235, the quantum of sentence, there will be some discussion on the quantum of sentence also. You all know that death sentence will be given in the rarest of rare cases, like the recent example of Sri Rajiv Gandhi case. Yesterday they came out on bail as per the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Likewise, so many cases are there. And death warrant is executed Azmal Kasab, last 1 or 2 years back incident. So, in such a case, please remember, even though the sessions court or the trial court gives the punishment or conviction of death sentence, it is not easily executed. You know, section 354, clause 5 CrPC says that the confirmation should be done by the High Court, and the later procedure like appeal to the High Court, then appeal to the Supreme Court, pardoning by the President of India, when all these steps have been completed, then only he will be given the so-called death warrant. Now, I think by now you are clear regarding the legal provisions on the death warrant. So, it is otherwise called as a black warrant. So, this is given in form number 62 of the second schedule of the CrPC 1973. So the form is, if you know, you can easily understand. So warrant of execution of a sentence of death. So the important points are to be hanged by neck till the person is dead. Within how much time? So the time schedule is 30 minutes. So according to the jail manual, 30 minutes is given as the death time, and the doctors, they have to give a certificate. That means doctors have to certify that he is dead and he is no more. So before that, please remember, there are certain there are certain formalities. The doctors have to check up the health condition of the so-called convict, and also they have to arrange a last meeting with their relatives. మనకు తెలుగులో అంటే ఆఖరి కోరిక తీర్చాలి. So this is the procedure. Then please remember, what is black warrant? So an official authorization enabling somebody to carry out some action in pursuance of the administration of justice. So this definition is drawn from somewhere, of course. So this is the definition given for the black warrant. So already I told you the form number 42 also. Then what is the method of executing the person? You all know that is by hanging. Please, hanging is the easiest, surest and quickest form of death so far. But of course, in other countries, you know, chair. So a person will be tied till he will be shot to death. Then other person is giving injection, lethal injection. So many things are there. But in India, normally we follow only the so-called hanging method. Right. So, in suppose if it is a naval person or army person, death by shooting is allowed. So, in Army Act 1950 or in Navy Act 1957 and Air Force Act 1950, they say that death by shooting is allowed. So, normally our procedure only going by the so-called hanging. So, electrocution in the chair or shooting, all these things are extra measures. But as far as we are concerned in India, death by hanging is the mode which the jail manual says and which they are adopting. So that's all regarding the black warrant or death warrant. I think I am clear to all of you. So if you don't understand, please make any comments and I will reply to you. Come back to you soon. Thank you very much.